All right, this is going to be the Tears for Fears version of Mad World. So it starts out with some drums for 4 bars, and then we're going to have an F sharp minor chord. We got a 4, 2, 2, 2. And we're going to have a little basic strum like this that you can add in there. So we got down, down, up, up, down. And then we're going to go to an A chord, same strum. And then E. And then B major. So that's our first progression. We got the F sharp minor, down, down, up, down. We're going to the A after that, and then the E, and then the B. So F sharp minor, A, E, and B. So here we go. Down, down, up, down. 2, 3, and. Okay, so let's do that real slow. 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we could do a little finger picking on that too. We could go. So I went straight up the strings, and then I hit the big one, and then the second one, and then the third one. So. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to the A chord up here. And that's your 7, 6, 5, and 5. We do the same picking straight up. And then bass, second string, and third string. So you put those together, you got. We do the same for E. Same for B. Do it again. Okay, so I just went up to the A because I thought it kind of sounded cooler to go up higher right there. So let's try that one more time, nice and slow. 3 and 4 and up to A. And B. Let's try it again. Up to A. E, and B. So let me play that a little bit faster here for you. Okay, then we're going to get into the pre-chorus. So this is going to be, the strum for this would be. So we got down, 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 up on the F sharp minor. Then we're going to the B. Down, 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 up, down, up. And we do those back and forth 4 times. So we got. Okay, so that's the pre-chorus. So you could finger pick that part by going. Now all I did is to that one is I added a note at the end because it kind of made it sound cool with this part. So straight up the notes, and then 4th string, 2nd string, and then 3rd and 2nd. So, and then we switch to the B. So you could leave that last one out to give you more time to switch between chords, but if you can add it in on this part, it makes this part a little different from the last one, so it adds a little bit of a thing to you. So let's try that nice and slow. 3 and 4 and. Okay, so once we've done that pre-chorus 4 times, we're going to get into the actual chorus. Okay, so this is interesting. We got a big 4 up here on the bass string, and we're going to hit that little 5 2 times, and then 4 4 on that small string, and then 2 2. So, and if you can keep that bass note held, it sounds good. And then we're going to go the 2 on the second string with the little string open. And then we're going to the 4 on the G string and the B. And once we hit that 4 once, we want to kind of get it like this. And that's like a and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it's 7 hits on that. But it doesn't hit on the first one. So it's like. And 2 and 3 and 4 and. So once again, that's the 2 small strings, and it's open on the little one and 2 on the second one. And whatever fingers you want to get those 2 4s on the G and the B string, we kind of got to switch it pretty quick to how you normally do an A chord with all those fingers, so you can get them tall, because we want to hear that little open one down here. It makes it a major chord and a suspended chord at the same time. That's why it sounds kind of interesting, a little bit out. So once again, chorus, we got. And 2 and 3 and 4 and. And 2 and 3 and 4 and. Do it real slow here. Here we go. And. And 2 and 3 and 4 and. And 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so we have 4 sets of that chorus thing. Then we're back into another verse, which the finger picking would be. And if you wanted to strum that first part, that verse, it'd be down, down, up, down. And then whatever A you want. E, B. Okay, now there's another riff that happens. There's a melody thing that happens in some of these verses. 3, 4, 1. Okay, so it comes in after the 1. So it's like 1, and then 4, 6, 4. So big 4, 6 on the G. And then we're going to go to that, from that 6 to the big 7 to the 5 on the second string. So once again, 4, 6, 4, 6, 7, 5, and then 5, 4, 6. And then 4 in the second string, 4, 4 in the third, 7 on the second. So 3, 4, 1. Okay, so that's a little melody that happens in some of those verses. So now let's move on to the pre-chorus after that verse. That would be like the first verse after the chorus. We're moving into a pre-chorus. So we're gonna have, we got that finger picking to the B. And we do that 4 times, and then we're back into a chorus. Okay, so that chorus goes 4 times, and then we're going to have a little extra tag thing at the end of the chorus. So once it finishes its last time, the 4th time, and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now at that point, we're going to keep doing 3 more measures of that strumming thing. So it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and second measure, third measure, and then we're back to the first part of the song, the verse, but it's an instrumental section. So it's. So that goes a couple times. So then we're gonna have a pre-chorus again, and that has the strum of down, 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 up to the B. Okay, so same stuff, and then we're gonna have a chorus again. And 2, and 3, and 4, and now that's gonna go 4 times as normal, and then we're gonna have the extra tag thing with this chord here, but it's gonna go 6 times. So it's like 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 2, 3. So, you know, 6 whole times of that. Then the 7th time, it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it stops after 7 of them. So let's say we're gonna do the last one that's normal with 8, and then we'll do the one with 7. So 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's how you end. Okay, Mad World by Tears for Fears by request. Thanks a lot for checking that out. Thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. Has tabs with it. Talk to you soon.